up to the next one and hold it there for a minute. Good. Bring your hands up. That's perfect, Josh. Wait for me. Good. Is your left one up?
No.
Bring your left one up too. Good. Here we go. Up and step. Wait there. Okay. Hands move up. Good. Other one. Good. Up and step.
Sorry.
Wait there. Good job fixing your foot. Here we go. Hand up. Good. Left hand too. And go. That is so controlled and lovely. Hold on a sec. Good. Hand up.
So controlled.
Wait
Pay
for
attention.
me. Yeah, pay attention.
This
Okay.
is scary
Yes,
stuff,
I'm sorry.
please.
And up.
I'm sorry.
And step. And wait for me. Fix that foot. Good job. Wait there. Hand goes up. And the other hand goes up. Ready?
Yes.
Push. Beautiful. Wait there. Hand goes up. And the other hand. Ready? Push. Good. Fix it. Fix that foot so it's straight. Good. There's fine. Hand up. Good. Left hand up. Ready? Push.
Sorry.
Good job. Hands move up. What's happening? You okay?
Yes, I'm
Left
okay.
foot flat, Josh. Left foot flat on the step.
There we go. Wait there. Fix that foot for me. Good. Here goes. Up. And up. Good. Let that hand down. Good. There we go. Press.
Nice and flat.
Wait there.
Relax.
Okay. Why are you getting nervous?
I'm not.
Grab a pie there.
Good. Reach up with the left hand. Good. Step up. Good. Stay there. Good. Melissa, I'm going to need you to take them all off. That's what I was going to. Thank you. Hold right there for me. Keep that hand there. Good.
Yes.
Now
goes
you're
the
going to
pink
step up and
tape.
step even.
Yes.
Good. Stand there for a minute.
Yes.
Good
Good.
job, Josh.